Today is 2020, February 25th. Preda Machine has resumed production and factory opening for 1 week already, as Preda Machine was permitted by government as the first lot of factories that opened in our city. Now we're having an overview of our factory production teams. Our colleagues are working on electric gorelockers assembly. We normally produce a dozen per lot. And here's a more overview of the production team. Assembly and the CNC fabricating teams. We can look closer at the assembly team for gorelockers or elbow making machines. Well, we shifted to another part of our production team for material fabricating, HVAC flock formers, TDF Flange formers. We are now seeing our colleague fabricating the walls of TDF Flange forming machines for shafts. Then we look closer at our warehouses. We stocked many machines ready for prompt shipment. If you order now, we can ship right away, because all shipping or express and everything are back after holiday and after the virus. The U-shape auto duct line 5, plasma cutting machines, angle iron flange forming machines, auto duct line 3, TDF machines, pneumatic kinematics, folders, and etc. Now we are having a closer look at our current most hottest machine, a Preda Machine, Mould type spiral tube formers. Both are in PD 1600. They are with the plasma cutting option, besides for the flying slitter cutting. The electric shearer machines and everything you can see in the video. This is a station where we stock Pittsburgh flock forming machines. At least we still have dozens of Pittsburgh flock former in stock, so if you order now, we can ship right away without having to wait if your quantity is not so big. We have several plywood cases ready for LCL shipping. As we have been delayed for 2 weeks, but we will ship in steps this week. Plasma cutting machines in the middle, waiting for customers inspecting. This is a TDC flange forming machines. We have the option of 20 size, 25 size, 30 size, and 40 size, or optional, and the spiral tube former Mould type. We have several in stock, so you can order now. Shearer machines and auto duct line 3 ready to ship. The folding machine station and the beading machines. Thank you very much for watching.